Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Chevy Cruze battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged before starting. The battery is typically found under the hood on the passenger side, making it easily accessible for this task. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by loosening and removing the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Then, proceed to remove the positive terminal, being careful not to let it touch any metal parts of the car. Finally, loosen the battery hold-down clamp to release the battery. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly. Carefully set the new battery into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, making sure it's tight and secure for a good connection. For the final connections, attach the negative terminal last, ensuring it is also tight and secure. To protect your new battery and prevent corrosion, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Now, start your engine to confirm everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your Chevy Cruze battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.